Friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also multi-bagger tips. Now we are going to discuss about 3A Infotech Limited. There was a lot of confusion happening about NCLT order, and also the people are confusing right now because you can see that today it is closed at lower circuit because it is low. In the yesterday's video, I mentioned that it's operator manipulation and the share is an excellent and SOA is a good thing for us. SOA is a positive news, and we will go into the details today. Now you can see here currently we are in NCLT website, and this is the final order. So we are going to discuss about the final order. You can see here that is this NCLT order. You can see here while we are in the page number 8, you can see here what exactly the SOA says. Here you can see that the capital reduction proposed from face value 10 to face value 1, and after that again it will be consolidated to face value 10. So we are going to the detailed study, so you will come to know the exactly what this SOA says. So I'll show you the exact detailed study for that. The total outstanding number of shares are, you can see here 161 crore shares are outstanding. Here the total issued share capital is 1610, so 616 crore. So you can see the current face value will be 10, and the market capitalization is 1422. Let us go into the detailed study. You can see here before market the capital reduction, the total number of shares are 161 crore shares are there, 161.66, and the total share capital will be face value 10 means multiplied by 10, so it will be around 1616.6 crore. So this is a value. So after capital reduction, what will happen according to the SOA? It will change to face value 1. So the multiplication factor of 10 will be removed. So it will be total 161.65 crore will be there, the total share capital. So what will happen? The market capitalization will remain same, and consolidation of the share is proposed from face value 1 to face value 10. So what will happen? So that again it will be multiplied by 10 here. So face value 1 shares, this is going to be multiplied by 10. So the total number of shares are getting reduced to 16.16 crore now. So before it was 161 crore share, it will become 16.16 crore shares. So the total free floating shares are getting reduced. So already I told you, if you hold 100 shares, so it will become 10 shares of face value 10, and the new shares will be there. And if you are holding less than 10 shares, you will not get anything. So what you have to do is, so if you are holding the fraction share, you should add one more share here and you should make it 10. So should be multiplication of 10, so you will get benefited. So if you are holding any fraction share, you should add the remaining share and you should make multiplication of 10. So please don't hold any fraction share and less than 10. How we are getting benefited? The free floating shares will be decreased, so that's a good thing, and demand of the shares will be getting increased because the free floating shares are getting reduced, and earning per shares will be multiplied by 10. So because number of shares are getting through 161.6 crore shares to 16.1 share, that multiplication will come here because the book value per share also getting increased, and value of the stock will be increased because automatically earning per share is getting increased, means value of the share also will get increased 10 times. And as I told you, market capitalization will remain same and book value will get increased. That means book value will be multiplied by 10, and sale and profit will be remain same. Everyone knows that. And current market price of the share is 8 rupees, and after SOA it will become 88 rupees. So from here the share will start, and surely this is a amazing opportunity for everyone. Try to add the share. This is a good news for everyone, and the peoples are trying to confuse everyone, and without knowing the thing, there are many peoples are manipulating this. And please hold the share. If you are holding 3 Infotech, it's a gem. Try to hold it because number of shares are getting reduced, means it's a big thing right now, and the market capitalization will remain same according to the SOA. So thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.